Fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Lords Mobile. To do so, you first need to launch your Lords Mobile app on your device. And once you've done that, first go to your settings, which is this gear icon on the bottom, like so. And then scroll down until you find this option called Redemption Code. Tap on it. Wait for this to load. And so once you're in this menu, just enter your gift code right here and then click on Claim. This way you can redeem your code. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention this in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!